Hey y'all, I am so upset because I started recording this video with the eyebrows and the foundation, but I had no idea my storage was running out. Nonetheless, we haven't gone far. I've done the eyebrows and I've used the Be Pure foundation from Dollar Tree. I've used the clarifying pressed powder from Dollar Tree. I've used the LA Colors pencil for my eyebrows from Dollar Tree. I also discussed how important it is to use the sharpener that comes with it. It's important to have your pencil sharp so that when you do your eyebrows and you trace the bone, it's not looking all mushy. Also, we smooth the eyebrows with the toothbrush. Now, and for the coverage, we use this Rimmel Super Stay makeup from Dollar Tree. And for the concealer, we use our LA Colors Conceal It. And now it is time to give me a little more coverage. So we're going to use this liquid makeup LA Colors Dollar Tree. Now I can dab. Still all Dollar Tree. Okay, so now I'm going to highlight the face. I'm going to use this new color foundation from Dollar Tree. Color is medium 1. But in reality, color is whatever color they have available. Using my concealer sponge, different color makeup, different part of the process. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to take this Essentially Ageless pressed powder from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to press in the light color makeup that we just put on. You can see I have a little shine to the face. Some people like the shine, but I like mine to look kind of drier. So I'm just going to blend it with a medium-sized brush. Okay, so now it's time to contour. Contour is when you make, you accentuate certain areas of your face. I'm going to do the cheekbones, side of the nose, right above the cleft on your chin, and a little bit above the eyebrows. And I'm going to use this CoverGirl Clean Fresh powder from Dollar Tree, and the color is Deep Foncé 220. So it has a good complexion to it. Nose, take it to the bridge of the eye. Around the nostril a little. Okay, now I'm going to take a different sponge for my contouring and just come back and just blend some areas. Okay, now it's time for the details. Oh, sorry, my light wasn't right, but here we go. All right, so now I am going to accentuate the eyebrows. So I'm going to start with a Wet n Wild gold liner. Yeah, because we're doing all Dollar Tree, so we're limited with the types of products. We're going to use some of these products to do various things. Time to blend. That's still too wet. We'll wait on that. Keep in mind, I don't have a Dollar Tree bronzer, so we're using this eyeliner as bronzer. We're using this gold eyeliner as highlighter. We're using it to get the job done. Okay, full face of makeup, contoured, all Dollar Tree products. Let's keep going. I see an area. Want to dab that just a little bit. All right, now it's time to bronze the cheeks. First thing I'm going to do is take this Rimmel. Excuse the packaging, everyone. It is called Jelly, and it's highlighter, illuminator by Rimmel, and I'm going to put this on my cheeks. Dollar Tree. It is actual jelly. Now which brush? I'm going to use my concealer brush. Okay, my not so favorite part, lashes, but they have to get done. I'm going to use this Tony Big Fat mascara from Dollar Tree. I always make a mess with mascara. It's okay if you don't get it perfect. You're gonna come back with your liner. Got them on. Now I made some little mistakes here. Got some mascara on the skin, so I'm just gonna take my little handy dandy sponge and get that off. Because keep in mind, we're not makeup artists. We're not perfect. This is just affordable makeup and an everyday girl trying to have an average routine without spending a lot of money on makeup. All right, let's line the eyes. It's almost like you have to have the hands of a surgeon. Oh, gotta do the top of the eye. We said cat eye, right? I am not great at this. Now keep in mind, this is just my first time trying cat eye. And this is the Mercury Midnight Black Liquid Liner, Dollar Tree. Okay, I'm going to clean up under my eyes a little bit with my concealer brush. Good to go. Now it's time for the lip. What color should we do for the lip? Okay, everyone, so we went with this fabulous Green Edition Buttercream Red Maybelline lipstick from Dollar Tree, and I just love it. Okay, we're still not done yet. Hold on one second. Can't waste this look. And we did it. This is the completed look, and I love it. I love it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please subscribe, you all. It doesn't cost a dime. Please like the video and share with others. I'm really trying to build this YouTube page. We did all of this with Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree. Can you believe it? I love it. I love it. I love it. See you next time.